Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Anir Khargupta. I'm from Rosenberg Fans Canada in Mississauga. I'm going to present the air curtains product line today. So to begin with, I would like to introduce the company first. Our company, Rosenberg Group, is a company founded in the year 1981 with offices we have production facilities in 14 countries, 45 sales offices, and close to about 1,400 employees in the company. So this product, what we are trying to introduce today to the audience is the air curtain. So what is an air curtain? It's basically an invisible door with an air screen, which tries to maintain the heating levels, the refrigeration, the air conditioning space inside the building to provide a clean atmosphere. It protects from temperatures, the cold winds, hot summer temperatures, fumes, pollution, bad odors, and insects. Most important aspect of these air curtains are they create an open door effect. So, if the doors are closed in any of the retail or commercial spaces, people tend not to go in sometimes, but with air curtains installed, you can keep the door open so that you can still have an air barrier in between, so that you can actually control any kind of environment separation, right? So it creates that open door effect. So these are all different product lines what we carry in our complete range. We primarily focus in North America for two particular models, the WB series and the air curtain Zen. So I'm going to talk about these models more in the slides. So what it does is application, again, they are climate separation, cold chambers, insect controls, odors, things like that. They can be fitted in the windows and the doors. It could be installed horizontally, vertically, or revolving. And they can be used without the heat, with heat, which could be either hot water heating or electrical heating. So they come in different sizes and shapes. As you can see in this picture, we do every single kind of air curtain, which could go for commercial, decorative, recessed inside the false ceiling, industrial for the shipping docks. It could be revolving in hospitals, hotels, and insect control. So this is a particular model, what we call it as Zen model, which is extremely aesthetic, and when you look at it, it could be in the main entrances. You can actually have a lot of customization done on the panel, on the front panel. You can have them either having floral or vintage or wood finish or something. Things like that can be done in these kind of air curtains. You can either have vinyl panels, you can have clocks in them, signs, lettering, anything you want. We can customize that for you. These are some of the installation pictures what we have for these air curtains in airports and banquet halls. These are all Zen models. Again, some more pictures showing you different installation. Now we come to the WB series. So if you look at this, we have these pictures, which is the recessed WB series, which goes inside the ceiling, the false ceiling. Both these pictures show the recessed installation. Again, we can either have invisible surface, or it could be a visible surface inside the false ceiling. Again, we can have these all installed vertically as well on the side, either on one side or both the sides, depending on the door. We also carry the cool, which basically is for the cold storage chambers, freezers, as well as WB series for large and extra large size of doors. We have another very interesting product, which is the Triojet system, which is basically used for, again, cold storages, where we have different jets going through the air curtains, which maintains the inside and the outside temperatures. So what we do is we normally would use a selection software. So you can actually go through our website, which is the rosenbergaircurtains.ca, or our principal's website, which is the Air Techniques website, and you can actually log in with a username and password, and you can actually do the selection based on your requirement. So all these are in the website. feel free to go actually create your password and login, and you can do the selections on your own based on the application. So it will give you all the dimensions, all the details of the electricals, every single detail will be there. Apart from that, we also have these panels which can be customized, as I mentioned in my previous slides. They can have different colors, different settings, whatever you need. We have all those details in the selection software. We also provide the hardware for mounting these air curtains, so you can select those hardware as well, the mounting hardware as well, from the software. So once you do all that, you can actually do a print, and you can actually, all the details are in the prints. It can be either PDF or you can print it out. So that's for the air curtains, Rosenberg air curtains. Thank you very much.
Sounds like a great solution for for allowing people access without having that physical barrier of a window or a door separating you from your potential clients.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
any questions at all? What have been some of your more interesting installations that you've done?
We have done a lot of these installation in shipping docks, basically, where you have the shipping doors which opens up and brings in a draft of cold air or hot air or whatever. So to stop that, these air curtains are the most useful things because it will stop the draft from coming in.
That's amazing, and we see that a lot. We work a lot in warehouses, and that's one of the big problems. You open the big shipping door, and all your heat or cold goes outside, and it comes back.
Exactly.
And are you located across Canada, or is there
Yes, in fact, we have offices in Mississauga, in Calgary, and in Quebec, in Montreal. So we are everywhere. We are trying to appoint distributors as well. So we'll be available. The products will be available across Canada.
Perfect. Anything else anybody's thinking of? Well, I was going to say, great presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you.